Namar ka jing saphriang jong ka jingpang dengue hakari pemarjan jong ka Bangladesh ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala kintu ban shime ke senjam ban penjuri ka jing peitngor habaro ki jaka khappud khnang ban khanglat ya ka jingpang u mintri ka tran ka koi ke kya uba wailat ki shla ulaong ba ka Meghalaya kala penkre e ke senjam wat la kampat sham la sakhi ya ka no ka jingkiu badan jingma na ka jingpang Nila pentip syabaro ki kinhuan ki jongi, kham tam ha ki jaka khappud. Labatha eki bakin long ki ba peitngor, pat ban ai jingtip mardor, yaka jinglong jingman, ong umintri, habakren syakilat pathai kubor ha khat pratrik nailar. Kat kum ka jing ong jong umintri, ki jingtip bajulum man kapor, na ki jaka sumar, ki pen i bakampat dan ka no ka jingkla ka bapher, kat haduk mentah. Katanat kalabatha ye ki sub-center, PHC, bat CHC, ban long ki jaka baningkong ban pentip ye ki no ki jingja ba suba shakta ha ka ni ka jingpang. Yidon ka network bayar ha ki jing kam ha ka liang ka koi ki kya ha ka leng ka jela. Nila batha iki ban long ki ba peitngor ba bat ban pentip shangi mare yo jingtip halor ka no ka jing suba shakta ha ka ni ka jingpang ong uba wailan. Haba pediang bagi don katu kat niki jingpang ki baju jia manla ki samoi umintri ulaong ba ompat don ka no kuno ka sakhi ke bapen i bagi niki jingpang ki don jingade bat ka jing saphriang jong ka niki jingpang ha ki jaka khappud.
From the health department, we have directed our team, especially those situated in the border area. So we have informed them, and then we have asked them to remain on alert. But right now, as of such, we have not got any report, any alarming report here, especially from this border area. So we have a surveillance team who is traveling and then taking stock of the situation, but right now as of there is no such alarming cases which is coming up, so that's why I think we have not pass or give any direction or any notification. As you all know that we have our health institute in the the sub-center, PSC, CSC, in all these areas. So we have asked them to be on high alert to see that such cases is there, to inform us. But as of now, we have not seen any increasing trend. No doubt some cases will be there, which is usually there, but as till today we have not seen any alarming rise as such, as which you have mentioned, especially what is happening in our neighboring country. There is no increase as such, but still then we have asked them to be on high alert, and if anything, to please inform us, and then we have a surveillance team who keep on traveling and take stock of this kind of situation. So we have put our surveillance team also on high alert, but till now we have not got any such cases or we are increasing trend.